This is it. The heart of the Amazon.
Let's go down. This jungle won't break us.
These vines are like iron bars.
We're stronger than they are. Keep pushing.
The humidity. It's suffocating.
Save the water. We have a long way to go. Damn it! I'm stuck! It's pulling me down!
Stop. Don't struggle. I've got you.
3, pull!
I'm out. Thank God. Let's keep moving.
This map is useless here. It's all just green.
Forget it. Trust your gut. We head that way.
Nick! Get back!
I see it. Keep your distance.
That was too close.
Death is everywhere in this place. Stay focused.
River! Finally!
That's our highway out of here. Let's move.
Rotting, but it might float.
We don't have a choice. We take the risk. It's so quiet. The calm before the storm.
Exactly. Keep your eyes peeled.
It's so quiet. The calm before the storm.
Exactly. Keep your eyes peeled. Look at that. A pink dolphin.
Even in hell, there's a little beauty.
Rapids! The water is speeding up!
Near to the bank! Hurry!
Hold on, it's breaking apart.
I'm not letting go! Brace yourself!
Swim! Fight the current!
I'm trying! It's too strong!
You okay? Are you hurt?
I'm alive. That's all that matters.
The raft is gone. We walk from here.
Fine. We walk. We beat this place on foot.
Leave me. I must infuse fire before the temperature drops.
I'm getting wood. Get the flint ready.
Got it. It's lit.
We're safe for now. No,
We watch together.
I don't trust this silence.
There. Something big.
Steady. Whatever it is, we stand our ground.
This jungle's playing mind games with us.
It's just...
Comfortable. The night isn't over.
So I still have this one floor ran in the bottom.
There. Under those roots.
Move! Before the sky opens up. Coming in.
We need cover.
This fire won't last.
Kill the fire!
Run!
This rain is gonna flood everything. Get in! Deep inside!
Make room! I'm coming in.
This night is testing us.
We won't break. We're survivors, remember?
Morning light. We survived.
I told you! Now, let's get out of here.
Yes. This jungle can't hold us anymore. We're close to the edge. Don't give up.
You okay?
Look, open space.
Finally.
Here's a road! Partner, we made it.
A real road. I can't believe it.